everyone. My name's Brian from East River Pilates, and this is The Right Way with Well+Good. Today, I'm gonna be showing you the right way to roll like a ball. It is not just a transition series in your class. It is so good for building core strength, working on control and stability, and finding more spine mobility. Let's get into the mistakes. The most common things that I see are not fully engaging your core and finding that C curve, not keeping that control and that stability and finding not a lot of mobility in the spine and not knowing how to progress. Now, we're gonna get into how to do it the right way. First things first, we always want to start with a nice engagement of our core, finding that C curve. Then lift the legs up, keep that engagement of the core, and roll. You can hold here, you can hold here, you can even wrap the hands to the insides of the ankles. Doesn't matter. We always want as much engagement of the abdominals as you would in a forward curl. The last thing is not knowing how to progress. I'm showing right here one progression of traditional rolling like a ball, whether holding here or here. One last one for a more advanced, bringing the heels together, elbows to knees and hands to shoulders. Lift up, inhale, keep that contact. Roll up and balance. This one is a challenge, yeah. You will feel how much core work is needed in our rolling like a ball here. Nice, one more for good measure. Now you're doing it the right way. For more right ways, make sure to click subscribe on Well+Good. Have a great day.